Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Thursday, December the 9th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku, and I have not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have no additional. Let me show you. So what I will do, because all the additionals in the past few days are solved, and the last additional that I have put away was I think Tuesday. Yes, the last one I have here is Tuesday. Let me show you. The Tuesday, not of last Tuesday, but it's the edition of Tuesday, November the 13th. Yeah, we have here 4 Sudokus left. 1 star, 2 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So I will do those 4 puzzles today, and of course this new medium Sudoku. Alright, but first we will solve this baby number 3803. Yeah, let me mark those. 3803. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku, this will be a 1 star, because 27 has, if you compare, yeah, with the 1 star, it has also 27 printed digits. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Scan the puzzle. How about yeah. Wow. 4. I'm thinking. 1. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see there, 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Yeah. Think. 7, 9, 8. We have a 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. A 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third column. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with 8. How about the 5 in the first column? 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. In the last column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 here. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. How about... Yeah. 3. No. About the 1. 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about 9. How about I'm thinking. Or the 6, no. 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column, the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. We have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. How about the number? Let me see. 5, 4, 7. The 1 in this row. The 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5. 6. And 9. 9. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is the 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And we have a pair, 2 and a 3 in this third row, 2 and a 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 3 should be in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, and 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in the first row for the number 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here, 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 5, okay. 6. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. How about yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 7 should be here. And no, the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers in the second column? For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Again, I need to mark those 2 boxes. Well. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. Alright. Okay. 1, 3, and a 9. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. We have a 1 and a 3 in the last row. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and a 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3 in the middle column. So 1 box left for the middle column for the number 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Maybe I'll talk too much at the beginning. Well, otherwise, 2 stars. Let me give this 2 stars. Alright, but I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other 4 puzzles in the edition of November the 13th, yeah. More than a week ago, yes. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. And we will meet again later on in the evening. Until then, bye-bye for now.